I found an easy way to get paid for posting on social media, and it's perfect for small creators. Hi, my name is Alexandrina and I want to show you how I earn on Temu Influencer Program. All you need is to have 1000 followers on Instagram or YouTube, or 3000 followers on TikTok to get started. You can even link all your eligible accounts. That's exactly what I did. Now I will walk you through my influencer dashboard and show you how it works. Spoiler, it's very simple. Let's start by taking a look at the main features. The system is very simple. The more you post, the more you earn. You can publish up to 10 posts per month. There are milestones rewards at 3, 6 and 10 posts. At each milestone you earn cash rewards and Temu balance, and there are also ways to earn extra on each step. I will show you how later. Now you can see the available campaigns. Each campaign has a different theme, so you can choose the one that fits your content best. The good news is that all campaigns have the same posting requirements, which makes things very easy. For Instagram, videos should be longer than 30 seconds or 4 images in a carousel post, and the post should achieve at least 10 likes per 30 days. For YouTube, one long-form video counts as 2 shorts. The long video needs to be at least 3 minutes long and reach 50 views. For shorts, the video should be longer than 10 seconds and get at least 100 views. And you can post same video to different social media channels. For TikTok, a video must be at least 30 seconds long and reach 300 views. If you are posting a photo post, it needs to include at least 6 images. As you can see, the requirements are very clear and achievable, and once your post meets them, it counts towards your monthly milestones. And of course, you can post one video to all social media and get different rewards. To get approval, you also need to include your personal code in the description and to add your link to the bio or link tree. Once I posted, I can submit the link. Instagram is my main social media, so posts I make there will count toward my monthly timeline. Posts on the other platforms will still earn additional rewards. For each qualifying post, I get about $20. You can earn up to $800 per month. There are different types of campaigns and many of them don't even require you to buy anything from Temu. You can simply showcase products you like using a green screen, share your code, and that's it. You can join the Temu Influencer Program using the link I left in the description below. In my case, for example, I ordered journaling supplies from Temu, and since I already enjoy journaling, I create content around that. I film videos showing my journaling process and use them for campaigns like Back to School or Lifestyle POV. You can make unboxing videos, lifestyle content, and so much more. It's very flexible and easy to adapt to your niche. You can also earn from referrals when people use your code, but that's a whole separate topic. I hope this information was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.